Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Lately with your Business Bites.
Scammers and other fraudsters will not be able to use the central bank's digital currency CBDC in their illicit activities, the government has promised. Closing the debate on amendments to the Bank of Jamaica BOJ Act, which will set the legal framework for the national rollout of the digital currency as legal tender, leader of government business in the Senate, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, said the currency can only be used for local transactions and not across international platforms. The Victoria Mutual Building Society (VMBS) has become the latest financial entity to raise interest rates on its existing loan portfolio as the Bank of Jamaica BOJ continues to increase its policy rate amid rising inflation. The 144-year-old mortgage lender, which had a loan portfolio of over $73 billion in 2020, sent out a release to its membership that it would be hiking the interest rate on its existing loan portfolio up to a maximum of 1.50%, which is set to take effect on July 1.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Lately.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.